Hi, today we're going to do a lesson on soldering on a straight length of track. As you can see, the webbing is all contact, all there, and what we do is cut a little bit of webbing away, a little piece there, right. You pull the webbing apart, you get your file, little cube, and I always use flux, so I'll put a little bit on. There we are. I shall put my iron on the thing, heat it up. Tin without damaging the thing. And I pre-tinned the dropper. I shall place on top, so apply a little bit of heat. There we are. So that's not bad, is it? You clean it all up after with the rails. Especially in the inside there, you need that really clean, that is flush with the rest, or you can do it with your soldering iron, like I am doing now. And that's a perfect joint. Just clean that up there. And there we are. Thanks very much for watching. And all you need to do is push your web into it, like I've done here. And you can see it's a neat job. No web, no melting of the web. And you can do the same on the other side there by parting it. And you don't lose a slip because you can't see it at all. Thanks very much.